Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. Is it mukbang or mukbang? And the baby bump is still here. I'm 18 weeks pregnant, so I love to eat. Some days I don't like to eat, but I decided to go ahead and get some ribs and wings and some fries. I was gonna get I forgot to coleslaw. I'm gonna go and get the coleslaw, but I wanted to get mashed potatoes, but they didn't have any, so I ended up getting chips, and it's still the same thing, I guess. But we're gonna eat that. I got my cold water, ice cold, still full of ice. Got some mango juice, and I got some barbecue sauce on the side to just add on top. Let me just pour it on now. And then I'm gonna go and get the coleslaw. Ooh, look at that. Pour all of it on. Yes. Oops, too noisy. So this is it, guys. Can't wait to eat this. So let's go and get the coleslaw and get eating. But I'm so excited. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Georgia, welcome to my channel. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. I'm ready to eat and I hope you are ready to watch. Oh. Okay, let's get the coleslaw. I'll be right back. So I got the coleslaw. Ooh, what's in my eye? Okay, I've got the coleslaw right here, guys. In this box. So I'm gonna put that there and start eating. As you guys know, I like to eat a lot, but then I can't manage it. My story every day. Especially when you're pregnant, it's like, oh, what's going on? When you're pregnant, it's like you just want to eat things that you're craving, but then you just get some of this sauce and these chips. You want to eat what you're craving, but then your belly can't manage it because your belly's already so full. Right, let's get a wing. It smells so good. I love barbecue wings. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. I can eat this all day. Not all day, but anything with barbecue sauce. It's not spicy, so that's good. I do not want anything spicy. I just want sweetness. Oh dear. I hate cowl neck sometimes because all they do is just fall down. I'm wearing a bralette anyway, so it's not a bra. But I've got a bralette on. You know, just to be modest, but these cowl necks want to embarrass me. This is a nice barbecue sauce. Thing guys, I'm always ordering from Deliveroo or Uber Eats. Oh gosh. If you're in the UK, you know about Deliveroo and Uber Eats. Yeah. It's so tempting. You just want to try different things on different days, you know? But you have to be disciplined. But child, the food looks good. I'm telling you, this ribs is so good. Oh my god. It's beautiful. My fingers keep getting dipped into the sauce. But on mine. So, oh, this is so good. I hope you guys been okay. As I said, I can't wait for my scan. This is my 4th child. I can't wait to find out what it is. I've got 3 boys, so they like to eat. So I'll leave some of these chips for them because it's too much chips. But I've been okay. I'm getting better, and oh my gosh. I think I'll focus more on the ribs right now because it's too good. Oh my gosh. But I'll be back filming so much more things. I'm always going to bring out a mukbang when I'm always ordering something. But why is it so good? I don't care if my face is messy right now either. My belly's getting full, but I'm going to keep eating, you know. Alright, just put away the chips for my kids because they love chips. And let me just delve into this. But it's spring in London. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Finally getting my vitamin D that I need naturally. You guys didn't want to hear the burp that just came out of me. You didn't want to hear. I'm almost done. I did well today, didn't I? When it's your favorite food, you just eat all of it, you know. But I turned 35 last week. I'm 35 now, guys. I had a great week. I was born Easter week, so it's always going to be an eventful time. I got to see my mum. My sister couldn't come down, but we talked. Got all the family in Jamaica. I didn't get to speak to them, but we were friends on Facebook. Everyone's fine. I hope you guys had a great Easter as well. This barbecue sauce is too good and it's more rich. Wow, I just got to dribble. Just dribbled while eating. That never happens. Unless I'm eating a lemon. Who likes biting on the bone sometimes when like the baby? I'm not ashamed to say that. Sometimes there's some juice inside there. Water time. Is it in the cup? Belly, check out the bump. The bump is big. So last thing. This is truly amazing. I love it. Definitely ordering from them again. I was gonna get TGI's, but then I saw this and like, it looks just like TGI's. It's called Chicago's Ribs and Wings or something. They also do milkshake. I tried to talk myself out of it today and it worked. But ciao. I'll be so full right now. If I was drinking milkshake, I'll be full. I couldn't eat all this. So that was good. But I'm going to finish this. Thank you guys for watching. As usual. Don't burp? Okay. Almost done. These might sound. If you guys like these videos, please make sure you guys subscribe. Comment down below what you'd like to see me eat. You know, and I'll try and make sure I can get my hands on it if I can, because you know I'm in London and everything's different in different places of the world, but I would like to do things and try new things, you know. But I hope you guys have had a great week. I should be back next week with another mukbang, if not sooner. So stay subscribed, keep watching, and yeah, I'll definitely be back. I'm pregnant, so I'm always craving something, and I want to keep the weight up that I've gained over the years. So when I do have this baby, we're going to be working it off together, okay? So stay tuned. Now my belly is full when I finish the last one. It's like, got all these chips left. All these chips for the kids. It's not a lot, so maybe even one child could eat that. I've got all my bones.